Hey guys, welcome to a tutorial from the TypeO channel. In today's video, I'm going to let you know how to achieve this Y2K shine effect. If you are interested in learning more about design and appreciate our content, feel free to subscribe. Now let's get started. First, we are going to type out the text we want. Then we're going to adjust its size. After that, we are going to open the Layer Style panel and add a gradient overlay. Use a black-white gradient like so. Next, we will go to the Filter Gallery. Click Convert to Smart Object. And under Sketch, find an option called Chrome. After that, add a threshold adjustment layer on top of the text layer, and then add a gradient map. Now, check the gradient colors until you get the look that feels right to you. Once done adjusting the gradient, add a stroke to the text layer using one of the colors from the gradient map. Then add a second stroke, this time using another color from the same gradient map. With this, you are done with the text design. Next, we can play around with the background color until you find the one that suits your text color. You can also transform the text as you wish. Can never forget to add a texture on any graphics. So we are going to create a 50% gray solid fill layer. Open the filter gallery and apply a halftone pattern. And then in addition, a graphic pen filter. Click OK. Change the blending mode of this layer to overlay. And that's it. And no design is finished without adding a bit more flair on top of the base design to give it some more character. Add whatever small graphics and effects you feel right, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and happy designing.